Can you make a robot at home? Building a robot at home is not only possible, it has become more accessible and fun than ever. The key is to start with a project that suits your skill level. If you have no prior knowledge of electronics or programming, the best way to get started is with a robotics starter kit. These kits come with all the parts, sensors, motors, and a control board, like an Arduino or Raspberry Pi, along with detailed instructions. Think of them as a Lego manual for robots. With a kit, you can build a robot that's controlled by Bluetooth, or one that follows a black line on the floor. It's an excellent starting point for understanding the basic concepts. Once you master the fundamentals, you can move on to more advanced projects. At this level, the idea is to stop relying on a kit and start combining your own components. You can buy servo motors, ultrasonic sensors to avoid obstacles, or a small robotic arm separately. This allows you to design and program robots with more complex functions, like one that detects and follows objects or solves a maze on its own. The most advanced makers even design and build their own chassis with 3D printers and program the robot's intelligence with languages like Python or C++, creating robots with artificial vision or that communicate with the internet. For a simple project, you only need a kit. But if you want to move to the next level, some basic tools like a soldering iron and a breadboard will come in handy. As for skills, basic knowledge of electronics and programming is recommended, but the best part is that these projects will teach you everything you need to know as you build. In short, making a robot at home is a totally viable project, and one of the best ways to learn about technology.